I haven't thrown anything so long.
All right, whenever you're ready. I got you. All right, go, 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 go. They're moving left. Trying to get the guy next to you, man. Oh, hi. Where is that coming from? Oh, shit. That's not good. Hey, watch your right. Watch the right. Oh, shit. Pull it back. Pull it back. Come on. Fuck. They are close. They are very close.
Yeah, I see him on the other side of that.
We should probably pull back the next wall, yeah?
Yeah, is that toy maker up there?
Todd, are you still up?
Somebody's pinned down up there. Listen, yeah, somebody's still pinned in there.
All right, I'm gonna take the corner. The net's throwing me off, I can't. And watch the spoons. Say they're pushing left, they're pushing left.
Just warming up the motor.
Yep.
11 minutes. I repeat, 11 minutes.
Woo!
Copy. You're dry, got you.
You got him between those two mounts?
Yep,
All right.
I got it, I got it. Hey buddy, you might want to pull back. You back up. Woo!
Yeah, they're loving them.
Yeah, they are. Come on, buddy, I got you. Straight line, I ain't lobbing.
Held all the way around the boat. They're not getting through.
Okay, he's lobbing them a little closer now. I got him straight line though. Oh, he's down, he's down.
You get him?
I think so. Well, there's definitely more.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys, 10 more minutes. Take cover, take cover. Was that you shooting the wall?
No. No, they're on the second mound. Straight.
Hey, they're pushing up on the left. Watch your left. They're by the water containers. Oh, if I could get in the trench easily, I would love it. Actually, I don't know what's that way, so never mind. I'm not going to say that too
they're
loud.
stacked up by that second mound that way, straight on the other side of this wall.
Is that dude alive? I don't even know. Like, I want to shoot him, but I don't want to shoot him. A little too late, but I will next time. Yeah, we got friendlies up there. Yeah. If you want to push up, you can.
I gotta get some of those mags.
These things are nice.
I noticed that it counts the ammo. So.
Yeah, you can see where it's at. Oh, stick your butt out again. I can get you. Oh, he's dead. Somebody got him. Hey, we got peekers over by the car, or the by the spools. Greg, you still up?
These are in the far west end of the trenches.
Copy that. Look south. We got tangos on the south end of the field pushing in. Be advised, I just saw 2 guys heading north towards trenches. Ah, oh, you bastard. Come on, poke your head up there. I dare you. I got you all fucking day. I know. Yeah, you know I got you too. Move, 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 move. Shit.
Thanks, Ed.
Oh shit.
He got up right on us and just snuck up there. Took 3 of us out.
Paul, you copy? That's not good. That's not going as far as I wanted. Oh, come on.
How do you get a gun quiet?
Huh?
How do you get the gun quiet?
3D printed with baffles.
Oh, it actually works.
Mm-hmm. Don't tell the ATF.
I thought most of the sound came from the gearbox.
HPA.
Oh, HDN.
Uh-huh.
What about AEGs?
It won't really quiet it because, yeah, most of the sound comes from the gearbox.
I heard if you full seal the gun bow, it basically comes out of a barrel.
Yeah, you can get a really tight compression on it. All right. Come on, guys. I need some more help up here north of trenches near the old chrono station.
Hold on 1 minute, by the way, over your radio.
1?
Yeah, it's 1 minute.
I thought they said 5.
I heard 1 minute over there.
Up here, where are you exactly?
Double check real quick.
Second wall on new building, indoor building, over.
Just turn around.
They're making a push.
As long as you can see them, then that's fine. They normally don't sit up there like that.
Who, me? Yeah. Watch it, to the left, large group.
Bob hit. I'm going back just fine.
Just got out of spawn. I'll wait here for you.
You can move if you want. He's down, he's down, he's down.
What?
Guy, hit. Good shot. Good shot, right on my boot. That's impressive. trench there. Nope. Dead man crossing.
Hey, how far are they? No, drop.
1 minute left, 1 minute. One minute left.
1 minute. Shit.
Did they say if we're switching sides after this, or?
No.
Great.
Typically we just go back, re-up on ammo.
Yeah, let's fix your gun. Keep your mask on, bud. They are shooting still. Keep your goggles on.
Yeah, keep your goggles down.
Here. Trade you. This is 3D printed, yeah?
Yep.
Nice. Your
Tip.
flash hider?
Yeah. I like how light your gun is.
Alright, let me get a mag from you.
I do a mag that is not touched. Except for like my gun. Damn. I'm glad I'm not on full auto fire.
Uh-huh. Wait till we get our team machine gun.
Is it gonna have a higher
That's not good.
you know what's wrong with it?
Could be a torn bucking. You've already tried fucking with hop up?
Yep.
Well, it's all the way down. That's part of the problem.
Is it fixed?
Yep. You just had it you had the wheel turned all the way. Whenever you turn the hop, ow, fuck. If you have it all the way up or all the way down, like where it won't move, it'll do really weird shit.
Instead of grand thumb, you had M4 thumb.
Yep, well, not thumb, pointer finger. Let me get you dialed.
Instead of grand finger, M4 finger. I really love how light your gun is. It's amazing.
It's GNG for you.
It's a combat machine too?
Yep.
Holy crap.
It's the well, it's actually not a combat machine, it's their step up from that. It's like their mid-tier gun.
Can I get a high tier gun?
Huh?
Can I get a high tier gun?
They're made out of metal at that point, but yeah, you can.
This is a nice gun.
And I think you had your hop all the way up, I think was your issue.
Really?
Yep. And that actually makes sense, making way too much contact with the BB. That's probably about as good as you're gonna get.
No thumb nail.
I have no nails, period.
Why?
I bite.
That's really bad for you.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, that's mine.
Yep.
All
Alright.
Not that bad so far.
Yeah, so far it's been good.
I had a good time. Especially I can wear my dang multi-glam. You're smart, you don't have multi-glam.
I do have multi-glam.
Why didn't you wear
Because it's not one of our team approved camos, I don't think. Is it?
Yep.
Oh. Well, I'm also prepping for Grey Wolves op. This is my dry run for November.
What are you doing in November?
Blast camp, we're going to Red Dawn there.
Any monkeys coming?
I mean, if they want to, well then come.
What side are we going on?
That's a good question. We gotta iron that out a little better than we have.
If we're going on the Russian team, I need an AK.
No, you don't. And it's actually not the Russian team, it's the CCP.
Even better.
I don't know what the CCP stands for.
Chinese Communist Party.
Is it? But that's wrong though. It'd be the People's Liberation Army, is PLA. Is what their actual army is.
That'd be fun. So do I have to